Very good morning, friends. Let's understand my plan for today's Nifty. As we expected yesterday during the live session, the market did try to go above 25,050 and tried to make a new high, but it could not sustain the momentum, and it ended up pretty much where it started. So having had a kind of a rolling wave candle, so the high and low of yesterday is very important. And so the market, if the market trades above 25,069, then we can expect a positive move to 25,138 and 25,211 is my expectation. And I would expect that we will get a positive candlestick here, and we'll get a closer stop loss, and then we can trade for these targets. On the other hand, if market starts trading below 24,960 levels, this could mean trouble, and market could correct deeply to 24,890 and 24,818. So since it's an expiry day, so let's be open to both sides and trade accordingly as per what we see on the live. So these are the key levels for today. Do join me live again at 9:30. Thank you very much. Hope to see you, many of you there. Bye bye.